Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello kids! Today, we'll be drawing a happy snail step by step and adding some fun colors. Let's begin! First, draw a rectangle. This will be the starting point for our drawing. Next, I draw the snail's mouth and two cute tentacles at the top. Now, I add two big, adorable eyes to give our snail a cheerful look. Time to draw the snail's body. I'll create a long, curved shape starting from the bottom of the head and extending backward.
Amazing!
Next, I'll draw the snail's shell. Snails carry their homes on their backs in the form of a hard shell.
Wow, that's amazing!
I'll make a spiral shape behind the body to form its shield. Finally, I'll draw the field with some grass and small stones to complete the background.
Magnificent!
Our drawing is complete!
Yay!
Now, it's time to add some colors. Let's do it! First, I'll choose a light green color for the snail's body. Let's fill that in. If snails wore shoes, they'd need just one really long sneaker. Next, I'll use yellow to color the snail's breast area. I use light pink for tentacles.
Yeah! Oh, that was so cute! Yeah, that was cute!
Now, I'll mix maroon and orange to color the snail's shell.
Wow!
Blend maroon and orange on the shell to create a warm effect.
Great!
Snails hibernate in cold weather and estivate in the heat, sealing themselves in their shells to stay safe.
Wow!
For the soil, I'll use brown to make the ground look natural. Snails are the original slime artists. They leave trails of shiny goo wherever they go. With over 40,000 species, snails are incredibly diverse, adapting to habitats ranging from oceans to deserts.
Oh!
Then, I'll add dark green for the grass and red for the stones to make the field lively.
Epic!
Finally, I'll use a deep blue color for the sky. This will give a beautiful background to our snail.
Surprising!
Did you know snails are both male and female? They're hermaphrodites, which helps them easily find mates.
Wow!
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck
This little snail snail is an invertebrate, meaning it has no backbone, but its shell provides the support it needs.
Yes!
Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock wow! Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Impressive!
Hickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock
Wow!
struck 3.
Our drawing and color is ready. To make the drawing pop, I'll outline everything with a black marker for a sharp finish. This makes it stand out beautifully.
Hickory dickory dock, the bear sat by the clock. The clock struck 4. He ran out the door.
Well done! Our drawing and coloring are ready. Thank you for drawing with Tiny Hands Art. See you next time!